So I've been thinking, as soon as this abandoned Evo 10 is done, we should already have the head back for my half-wrapped Evo 10. So I want to get, hopefully either one of my brothers, either Austin or Cameron, over to, I think I can build the motor myself, but I want one of them to help me obviously drop it in the car. It'll be a while before I'm able to do that on my own. If neither one of them are able to help me, hopefully I can find someone else local that can just help me set it in the car. If I can just have the motor and tranny sitting in the car, I think I should be able to take care of everything else from there, which would be dope. But what I was saying though is, as soon as this abandoned Evo 10 is done, I need to step out of the Evo game. So I want to sell that abandoned car and buy something else. The only thing is, I don't know what I want to bring to the channel. So guys, before we get this video started off, go down below, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you'd like to see on the channel. What we are going to be doing this morning is dropping off Bobby's 2 bent wheels for her Evo 10. I gotta get these things back before Tuesday. Tuesday is when the oil cooler comes in. As soon as I get these wheels dropped off, I'm gonna head back to Walmart, return this battery that I bought for the FRS. The FRS has so many accessories on it that I'm always running too. I just really need to spend the money on a good battery for that car. I think Bobby's car looks so good with these stock wheels. I don't know why. I honestly think it looks better with stock wheels than it did with the Roto Grids. Damn, that looks clean. What? It's already ready?
Hi, baby.
How'd you know?
Because I knew you were coming here. Hold on, let me write.
No, I wanted a high five.
Oh, a high five? Is that a high five, boss?
Yes. I was telling him how your car looks better with stock wheels than it does with the Rotos.
It does. Megan asked, my coworker asked, she's like, did you get new wheels? This looks so good. I'm like, yeah, they're stock.
Wait till we get your new
My
wheels.
new news?
Your new news.
Okay, let me write a note for you.
I love notes.
I know.
What does it say?
You're gonna have to wait and find out.
Love you, Haas.
With a heart.
I was telling YouTube this morning, I'm getting really bored of Evos. So I want to sell some Evos and buy something else.
See how far my eyebrows are up?
What does that mean?
Okay, like by selling Evos, you mean abandoned and Evo 8?
No, just abandoned.
Oh.
And your Evo 10.
Mine?
And you can have my white one.
Okay.
No. What should I buy though?
What are we going for here?
Budget is $25,000.
It's 25. You should buy an STI. Or BMW.
I'm downstairs working. Bobby comes down all out of breath and she tells me she stole my shift knob and she ran really hard. So, but then it won't fit, you say?
Follow me. I stole Devin's shift knob, so I got this out of the abandoned Evo. And it's actually nice, it's weighted and everything.
So, it is different thread.
How is that possible? Because I fit this one on my car and it fit fine.
I'm gonna go look at your car. Maybe there's some sort of adapter. That looks like the same thread size to me. I'm so confused.
Sure, that's what I'm saying.
It is. You like that knobby?
I love it. It's really big.
You like it big?
Not really.
Good. Got nothing to worry about.
Baby, that's not even what I was getting at, okay? Don't be a sicko. Oh, how many times back and forth do we gotta go?
So we're doing a lot of part swapping right now. We're taking that shifter out of that car, putting it in that car. That shifter goes in that car that you can't see. And then that shifter, it's the shortest one I have, goes in that car. So yeah, you're gonna take the black knob that was out of the Evo 8, right? And the shifter out of my Evo 10, and you're putting it in your car. Best of both worlds, short throw and a heavy knob. That knob right there only fits that shifter. Okay. So basically, what this means, Bobby steals my shifter and my shift knob, and I'm left with a shifter that I have to buy a new knob for because the knob that fits that shifter is complete shit. Sick, babe. You owe me $100. Does it fit?
It's so heavy. Yeah, it does.
That's a Blocks. That is my favorite knob ever. So if anyone from Blocks is watching this and wants to sponsor all of the cars with a beautiful knob, hit me up. How does it feel? Pushing the clutch and rip through the gears. Look how long that shifter is. Ew.
It is pretty knobby, like.
Isn't that a heavy knob though?
Yeah, it's massively knobby.
The Evo is definitely getting some love here soon. We have a set of new coils coming for it, which is a different brand. Not a brand I've ever ran in my life, and it's a super high quality brand from what I read. So I'm hyped on the coils. I sold the Work XT9s off of here, and I ordered my dream set of wheels ever for this car today, so those should be coming in soon. HCAS muffler, we got it welded on. We just got it painted, so the Evo 8 is definitely getting some love here soon, guys. Well, it has been. I haven't worked on the Evo at all today. I've been hanging out, just working on clothing, actually, merch, and just letting my knee rest. And we're gonna head over to my brother's. Why can I not talk?
Honey, you're saying it right.
Headovers. We're gonna head over to my brother Austin's house, and what car should we take?
I want to try my new shift knob.
Or should we take it the fast fucking Evo 8, doggy? You have to pee?
Very badly.
You want to take Rose or?
Rose.
Alright, I was giving you an option to drive a fast car, but I mean, if you don't want to drive the fast car, you don't have to drive the fast car. It's up to you, dog.
I'll think about it.
I understand. Or should we both ride bikes?
I think I'll pass. With those wheels? I know.
Wow, you're waltzing hard. These wheels are so sick. Half plastied up. I should probably peel them off someday, huh?
Yeah, we should.
We should.
Yeah, don't you want my help?
Yes. Let's hear a rip. Wow. Just wow. Wow, you're extremely rich. So boys, I dropped the wheels off. It was yesterday, right? Yeah, so it's the next day. I dropped the wheels off yesterday. They just called me and the wheels are already done. So we're gonna go pick up the wheels. That's kind of a waste, honestly, to put my wheels on your car, because now we're gonna take them right back off.
Yeah.
Unless you just want to run my wheels. Because I can throw the grids on the abandoned car. It's up to you. What do you want to do? Well, you're gonna sell them anyway. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up the wheels right now. I've been just chilling at the apartment all day, not on my feet whatsoever, and my knee feels freaking amazing. It's crazy how much it changes when you don't use it, when you're not supposed to. So let's go pick. Yeah. Oh, clamp. We're gonna get the wheels, head back north, change Bobby's oil, fix the boost gauge because we got a new boost gauge sender. Put both gauges on the pillar, and I don't know what else. Hang out. Let's go sniding around for the boys.
Okay.
Hell yeah, brother. Alright guys, we're back home. Bobby's pulling in the car right now. We're gonna change the oil and do some other mods. Let's see if she can get up on the ramps. Ah, you're such a cute head. Still have the brake and oil in this car. So Bobby is gonna be doing all that because I promised myself that I would stop breaking my knee more every day because it's getting worse instead of better. So Bobby's gonna be changing the oil, and then we're actually changing up her gauge setup as well. Drain the oil?
Okay, give me a bolt remover.
You're joking.
What?
Honey.
Yeah?
You don't know the proper term. You're gonna make me really upset if you don't know the proper term.
Wrench.
Thank the Lord. I almost got sad if you thought it was really called the bolt remover.
No, I didn't actually think it was the bolt remover. I just didn't want to say the real one.
It's a 17 mil.
Okay, I will get that.
So you'll need that, and you'll need the drain pan.
Not getting my hair dirty.
Preparing for action.
Hello.
That's cute.
Okay. Are you coming under here with me?
I'm gonna see if you can do it by yourself. Okay, your gloves on?
What?
You got your gloves on?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Crank that thing loose. No? You have to be really fat like me to be able to get it loose.
There's no way.
I know.
Ow! Ow!
What?
I got really claustrophobia for a second. Look it up.
Give me oil. Ah. Bobby wasn't quite beefy enough to get that a drain bolt loose, so I had to bust it loose. While that oil's draining, we're gonna slap the roto grids on this car. Bobby's selling those wheels, so yeah, we're just gonna throw them on this car. She doesn't like them. She actually likes these wheels better on her car. So we're gonna throw them on here, just so I have something to roll on until we get Bobby's new wheels in for this car. And then we'll sell those, and then these wheels will go back on here. They'll look pretty good on this car, I think.
I think so too.
Those are freaking wide tires. Those are 275/35s, guys. That looks pretty good. Set it on the ground. That's gonna roll away, honey. And probably right in the mouth for us. Yeah, just slide it under. Good job. What a true warrior you are. What? Coda's biceps are bigger than yours.
What?
We're still waiting for the oil to drain. So, you want to do gauges? Mm-hmm. All right. This is going to take a minute. A real long minute. So this right here is the new boost gauge sender. Her gauge in this car is reading at least, well, the seller said it's 7 pounds, 7 psi low. So we picked up a new sender from Pro Sport, and hopefully that fixes the problem.
I think it shall.
Yeah. How does it smell? Do you kind of want to eat it or something?
I thought I smelled something. Wow, what a nook.
What a nice sender. Why do you keep sniffing everything?
Smell. Do you smell what I smell?
What do you smell?
Vinegar.
I do smell vinegar, ain't gonna lie. So yeah, this is the current setup, AFRs and boost, and we're gonna swap out this pod with a new one. It was like a dual pod, which is great and it'll match much better, and we'll have boost and AFR right there, so it'll be pretty nice. And then all your wiring, babe, is whack. Whoever wired this did a whack job. So I'm gonna redo it all.
Yay.
So I need a Phillips head screwdriver, and I want a towel to sit on.
A towel to sit on.
Yes.
On the ground?
Yes.
I have a couple in the back you can sit on.
These must be, I wonder if these are older ones, because this wiring is different. This is a 2011 gauge. It's pretty fucking old.
That is so old.
We still have quite a bit more wiring to get done, and I'm gonna save it for the morning. One thing I think is never a good idea to save for the morning, though, is adding oil to a motor. So what I'm gonna do right now is throw the oil filter on the motor and get the engine oil in, because I have a feeling that I may forget and go to start it up with no oil whatsoever. This is the oil that I run on the daily. This is AMSOIL 530, 100% synthetic oil. All right, boys, that is gonna be it. I know we didn't get a ton of stuff done today, but that is all I can really get done on my knee today. Hope you enjoyed the video either way. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.